Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an awesome light ray effect, just like in After Effects, but using Aftermotion Z instead. Let's jump right into it. First, import your clip or image into the timeline. Next, create a circle layer and reduce its size to fit where you want the light rays to come from. Apply a low amount of Gaussian blur to soften the edges. Then, add the copy background effect to blend the circle with your footage. After that, apply the ray effect to the circle. Now, to get that perfect light ray look, you'll need to follow my specific settings for intensity and direction. If you want to move your light ray along a specific path or direction, here's what to do. First, add a drawing layer or use the pen tool to create a custom path. You can carve out the path by using the pen tool, just like you would in any vector-based software. Once your path is ready, apply the Move Along Path effect to your circle layer. This will allow the light ray to follow the path you've created. After that, tweak the settings to match the movement speed and direction. Now, follow my settings to make it look seamless and natural. So, there you have it. That's how you create the CC light ray effect on Elite Motion or Aftermotion Z, inspired by After Effects. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video, or maybe even sooner. Before that, let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. I promise to make it within 2 days, guaranteed. See you soon.